Take out the main unit and all accessories. Install the Cavitation handle. Install the vacuum and RF handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory holder in turn. Install the filter. Avoid placing it in reverse or an incorrect position, as incomplete insertion may lead to a lack of negative pressure or air leakage.
Plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch. Successful installation. Next is the disassembly process. First we need to turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Unplug the filter. Unplug the Cavitation connection cable and the negative pressure RF connection cable. Wrap the console and accessories. Place the host and accessories in the order shown in the video.